My name is Nedra Hodgkins. I am the executive director of the Lubbock Children's Health Clinic. One of the things that we are really fortunate is that we've been able to partner, long-term partner with the South Plains Foundation in order to receive funding for our on-site lab. We are extremely fortunate that both of our clinics are able to have on-site labs. And this is why labs are important and that funding was important, is that many of our families are in very just unique situations in regards to how they get to the clinic and their transportation issues. Some of them walk with their strollers with the kids. Some of them take public transportation. Some of them get dropped off. But regardless of how they get here, we're glad that they're here. But it is my goal and our staff's goal to think about what do we do to make it easier for our patients in regards to their overall health care. Labs is an essential part of that. So being able to have on-site labs where we're able to take care of all of those labs without having to send our families out somewhere continue to be a critical piece of that. So we're able to see the results in real time, and we're also able to educate the families and make sure that they got the proper prescriptions for whatever those test results are, as opposed to sending them away in hopes that they do the results, right? Because again, transportation can be an issue, time can be an issue, but also funding, right? A lot of sometimes our families don't have the funding for the labs that's needed. By having that funding through the South Plains Foundation, we are able to continue to have our on-site labs, which is a huge benefit to us and not only to our families when we just think about convenience, when we think about being able to assess their healthcare needs immediately. We are extremely, again, grateful for the South Plains Foundation to be able to provide that, to continue to serve the amount of families that we serve. Lubbock Children's Health Clinic last year served probably over 10,000 families that came into our clinic, and unduplicated patients close to maybe 5,000. So we continue to grow in the amount of patients that we serve. And really what's also unique about being able to have an on-site lab is that most of the kiddos that come into our clinic, they get well exams. And every time a family get a well exam, that is a very detailed exam. And so that exam always comes with labs. And so we want to make sure that we're doing that holistic type of testing and make sure our families are getting the very best overall health care. And we spare no expense, regardless of the insurance that they have. We treat every family with respect and care and quality. And so we're able to continue to do that by having these on-site labs. It's just a continual of care. And we're really fortunate to be able to have the South Plains Foundation to be able to help us and assist us with our on-site labs. So thank you.